Hi Dharmesh.
Hi Vishal, an exciting T20 game, like proper, you can call it, if there is a term, textbook T20.
यानी absolutely full on testosterone वाला T20 game देखने को मिला. I think the unthinkable is almost happened now.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
Australia is on the brink of being out in the group stages of a ICC tournament.
This is
Uh,
the first time ever.
no, I think this has happened earlier. This has happened, I think, around 12 years back. That point in time also they were out in the group stage. उसके बाद कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ.
It's very
I think
rare. That's why probably I thought that it's never happened because Australia, you just can't imagine कि इनको कोई knockout कर देगा. And that too, teams like Zimbabwe and Sri Lanka, who are not really in contention for being the semi-finalists or being anywhere ahead.
it's a fairly young team though. I think काफी समय से Australia has been very clear कि वो एक बहुत ही young team को ही भेजेंगे. And I think that lack of experience has now finally showed up because even for India, Surya was not in the best of forms. India persisted and Surya is one of the leading run scorers now. While we talk about Ishan Kishan's comeback, fact is Ishan Kishan has been around for years now, if we include his IPL stint. So I think that lack of T20 experience, हमारा जैसे केस है हार्दिक पांड्या, बुमराह, अक्षर, कुलदीप, यार ये लोग सालों से खेल रहे हैं. ये मतलब ऐसे जमाने हो गए इनको खेलते हुए. So I think at a global tournament, at a world stage, experience obviously always matters.
Partly agree with you because they also had players like Maxwell, Travis Head, Marsh, Zampa. These,
Head.
you can't call them inexperienced side when you have these kind of names.
Yeah.
So Stoinis, वो तो मतलब veteran हो गया अभी वो तो. So I'm saying एक दो अच्छे नए players है, but overall you can't say कि it's a very young side.
Confused selection. They got Steve Smith as backup after that loss against Zimbabwe. Steve Smith, the form he was in the Big Bash, and if he really wanted to play T20 cricket, then he should have anyways been there.
Yeah, no, that, and Steve Smith, तो अपना, he can, now that, like, if you are saying things like, अरे ये तो inexperienced है, then Steve Smith is the answer to that. You have him in the dressing room, you have experience in the dressing room. Even if he's, just, जैसे वो बाबर आजम को लोग बोल रहे थे, although he did not live up to that, but he could be the steadying the ship kind of a player. And which is what happened. If you see Australia's innings, when it started, they were blasting. They were going at 10, 12, until they lost the first two wickets, 112, 114 ke aspas. And then what was in my head looking like, "Arey, ye to aaj 250 maar denge," suddenly became a 180 score.
I mean, what catching, what fielding, electric. Sri Lanka fielding, electric yesterday.
That fielding, that catch by Pathum Nissanka, and especially because he dropped one.
Yeah.
एक पहले उसने drop किया, and then he made up how for it. That is
brilliant.
Completely, I mean, all laws of physics and gravity sub all went out of the window when he was taking that
And
catch.
now Zimbabwe, Ireland has assumed epic proportions.
Oh my! So this will be a very interesting thing now. If Sri Lanka will be through, and I don't know, Australia के बगैर Super 8s will have more one-sided matches. So
No, on the contrary, no, barring the Zimbabwe ones, and वो भी आप कैसे बोले Zimbabwe one-sided, जो उन्होंने पीटा है ऑस्ट्रेलिया को, उसके बाद यार yesterday Italy ran England close यार. कल भी ऐसा नहीं है कि इंग्लैंड आराम से जीत गया. 4 रन से नेपाल से जीता है, मर के इससे जीता है. Now England will end up making it to the Super 8s, but वो बचते
I agree with that. See, I agree with that. But which is why, again, the theory of experience doesn't matter then, no, in that case. If that is the case, क्योंकि Zimbabwe या Italy को तो experience है ही नहीं. These people are Ireland, Scotland, these people, Nepal, जो सबको tough time दे रहा है, these people are not experienced at all. So then what excuses Australia have to...
The experience there though is these countries are playing a lot of T20 cricket amongst themselves. ये जो नेपाल वगैरह है, आयरलैंड, इटली, आपस में बहुत खेलते हैं.
तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया तो अभी बिग बैश खेल के आया, पूरा सारे के सारे प्लेयर्स खेल के आए. तो they are, I mean, they are in it already.
वो लिहाज से एक्सपीरियंस है. Yes, yes, agree.
I mean, अपना तो IPL अब होगा, ये लोग तो अभी यहाँ से खेल के सीधा आ रहे, तो उस माइंडसेट में भी है already in that, you know, your muscle memory is already there that you are playing T20 for the last month and a half.
Yeah. No, and even inexperience is not an excuse. वो तो इन्होंने ही डिसाइड किया ना. अगर ये इंसिस्ट करते स्टार्क को कि भाई तू जा, इसके बाद ये मत खेलना, तो शायद मान लेता. But I think this is what they wanted also. I mean, they wanted to give priority to Ashes and then so. But ये है कि I have kind of seen जब से T20 इंडिया में बढ़ा है, which is 2007 की विक्ट्री के बाद, India has become a dominant force in cricket.
Yes.
So I will say कि ऐसा नहीं है कि one format at the cost of the other है. Eventually तो आपके structure की बात है पूरे.
Absolutely.
And I think yeah. So while India is doing very poorly in tests of late, I still am hopeful that eventually they will strike it right there also.
Absolutely. Acha, coming back to Sri Lanka, see the chase also, I think it was again Nissanka, because
Brilliant.
through and through he made sure कि मैं मैच खत्म करके निकलूंगा यहाँ से.
माता आ गई थी कल, तो ऐसा लग रहा था ऐसा ऑस्ट्रेलिया को कौन धोता है यार, ऐसे कौन धोता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया को.
He was in his element, he was hitting the ball. It was like, it's a very cliched thing, but I think he was playing on a different pitch and a different zone. बाकी सबके लिए कुछ भी हो रहा, उसके लिए अलग ही हो रहा था. So, and Ratna Nayake's innings, I think brilliant support. I think in fact that was the best thing, because अगर वो एक ही बंदे के ऊपर सब आ जाता है ना, तो eventually it doesn't work for too long, even if it's a T20. But when Ratna Nayake came and he also started, you know, hitting boundaries both sides of the ground, brilliant batting, brilliant way to support your star player who's actually performing and helping him reach the 100 also, which was, I think this will be remembered for Sri Lankan cricket. Everybody, एक World Cup में 100 करना T20 में is a big thing. It's a big achievement personally and obviously for the country. Match तो जीत गए वो लोग. So
yeah, that hitting was brilliant.
Yeah.
And I think they just took Australia to the cleaners. ऐसा lately मुझे लास्ट ऐसा कोई धोया ऑस्ट्रेलिया को, वो रोहित शर्मा था लास्ट T20 वर्ल्ड कप में, जो उसने 46 बॉल्स 92 का नॉक खेला था. उसके बाद अब किसी ने धोया ऐसा.
Yeah. And it was heartening to see, because on the sides we could see the likes of Sanath Jayasuriya, we could see Malinga, with obviously now who's become a big size human being now, but it is heartening to see them celebrate the victory, celebrate the 100.
A lot of credit to Jayasuriya. इंडिया को हराया उन्होंने वनडे सीरीज में श्रीलंका में आफ्टर 27 इयर्स. ऑस्ट्रेलिया को वनडे सीरीज में हराया उन्होंने, इंग्लैंड को भी टफ फाइट दिया, और अब ये आई थिंक इन 2014 से दे हैव बीन सीइंग अ डाउन टर्न. वो एक नेवर एंडिंग यू नो सब सीनियर्स और वेटरन्स के जाने के बाद वो नेवर एंडिंग चर्न था कि अब टीम इसमें है, फ्लक्स में है, नहीं हो रही है,
रीबिल्ड कर ही रहे थे,
खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा था, जो फाइनली अब. एंड इफ यू नाउ सी सम ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ दीस प्लेयर्स इंडिविजुअली अक्रॉस फॉर्मेट्स, ये आधों ने 5-5, 6-6, 8-8, 10-10 हजार रन बना लिए अक्रॉस फॉर्मेट्स. So now they have a good, solid experience, and I think Jayasuriya also deserves a lot of credit. He knows a thing or two about World Cups, right?
Definitely. After, I mean, हम तो कभी जयसूर्या को भूल नहीं सकते after 96, but a lot of people might have forgotten or not even know about it. The new generations won't know, but we know that.
Yes. So great. Let's look forward to the rest of the matches. I think Zimbabwe, Ireland, critical, but I think we have an interesting, very, very interesting World Cup ahead. Let's see how it goes.
Very interesting, and with a new mix, it'll be refreshing to see not the same 3-4 and Australia almost out. You are saying मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ out ही है, but let's hold our horses to that, and we'll discuss the next match in the next episode. Yeah. Okay.
See you.
Bye.